Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken pakoras. Sold by street vendors, this fried Indian snack is also great made with potatoes, chillies, peppers, cauliflower or chunky onions. For a hotter bite, add some fresh chopped chillies. As always, a full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. Start by cutting 400 to 500 grams of meat or veg into bite-sized chunks. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of garam masala, the juice of half a lemon, as well as half a cup of sliced coriander, and massaging well. Sprinkle over half a cup of Besan flour and half a cup of rice flour. This is the key to getting crispy pakoras. Mix or stir to combine well, then add around 60 to 100 millilitres of cold water to form a thick sticky coating. Cover and refrigerate for an hour at least for the flavours to penetrate. Remove from the refrigerator an hour before cooking so the meat is not too cold. During this time, the salt and spices will most likely draw out some more water, so give it another mix and add some more water to make the batter slightly runnier if required. Something like double cream consistency is perfect. Heat your oil to 170 Celsius, that's 347 Fahrenheit. Carefully drop each piece into the hot oil for around 3 minutes to give a light golden shell. Then remove and allow to drain for a few minutes. Turn up the oil to around 180 Celsius and refry the pakoras a second time for around 2 to 3 minutes. It's a secret to getting a crispy bite. Drain and serve with a light sprinkle of coriander powder. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.